point I was hoping to leave the stage with some dignity, but Grant and Douglas said, could you stay on stage and play tambourine, because apparently it'll help the DVD sales in Japan. And I'll get more points. So, we did this in the sound check. It was appalling. They tried to teach me how to play tambourine. 2 and 4. I don't know what that means. Angus actually asked me to move away from him because I was putting him off. So, if anyone knows what the 2 and the 4 means, this might last 30 seconds.
He said the world is mine tonight.